Welcome back to our garden series, where we explore different plant varieties and their unique qualities. Today, we're going to talk about the Digitalis plant, also known as foxglove. The Digitalis plant has a long and fascinating history. It has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat heart conditions. In fact, the active ingredient in Digitalis, called digoxin, is still used today to treat heart failure and certain arrhythmias. Digitalis is a stunning plant that can grow up to 6 feet tall with spikes of bell-shaped flowers in shades of pink, purple, yellow, and white. The leaves are deep green and are slightly fuzzy to the touch. If you're interested in growing Digitalis in your garden, it's important to note that this plant prefers moist, well-draining soil and partial shade. It's also important to be aware that all parts of this Digitalis plant are toxic if ingested, so it's not recommended to plant in areas where children or pets may be present. Digitalis can be a great addition to a pollinator-friendly garden, as it attracts bees and hummingbirds with colorful flowers. It also pairs well with other shade-loving plants, such as hostas and ferns. Aside from its medicinal properties, Digitalis is a great plant for adding height and color to your garden. It's also a popular choice for cut flower arrangements. Just be sure to handle the plant with care and avoid touching your eyes or mouth after touching any part of the plant. That's all for today's episode. Join us next time as we explore another fascinating plant variety. Thanks for watching.